Hey everyone, meet the Roborock Q5 Max Plus robot vacuum with a self-emptying dock that cleans hands-free for up to 7 weeks using two 2.5-liter dust bags. It delivers powerful 5,500 paw suction and features a DuoRoller Brush designed to pick up dirt, pet hair, and human hair while reducing tangles. Equipped with PreciSense LiDAR navigation, it creates detailed 3D maps for fast, accurate cleaning across multiple levels in your home. The vacuum has a large 770 milliliters dustbin and can clean up to 3,767 square feet on a single charge lasting 240 minutes. You can control it easily with voice commands through Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, or use the app for full control. Just remember, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so make sure your router matches for optimal performance. Inside the box, you'll get the vacuum, auto-empty dock, power cable, dust bags, side brush, and a user manual for easy setup. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.